Knock, knock. Yeah, so this is how this self-contained room looks like. How much do you pay per month?
478. It kind of varies because it's rated according to days.
Yeah.
If the month is 31, it will go up to £478.33.
Oh, that's really cool if it's self-contained.
Yeah.
All right.
If it's 30 days, it will be 462.
462.
Yeah.
That's great. So here is our bathroom. We have the toilet here. You have a small sink here.
Yeah.
Then you have the bathroom the other side. All right. And then you have a bed. Ooh, this bed is so big.
Yeah, very.
Do you want to go to that bed and see how big it is? Because in the camera it might look different, but if you go and sleep on that bed, yeah, then you can know how.
It can accommodate two people, you know. Two people.
Yeah, we know I stayed at the University of Manchester accommodation. Oh, this is not a hotel, Becky. But you know, I stayed at the University of Manchester and the bed is like a single bed. It's so small.
Tiny.
How comfortable is that bed? Is it soft?
So soft, so comfortable. This bed sheet, you find it when you're entering the room. It's like an after-sales service. Like they give you something as a reward for joining the accommodation.
Oh, that's cool. Do you get a duvet?
No, we don't get.
Or only the mattress and that mattress cover?
Yeah.
Wow, that's really good. You know what I love about that bed? Apart from being soft, it's really big.
Yeah, it is.
My bed in Manchester, it's just for like single person. So it's really small. It's like for a baby.
Yeah.
So I love sleeping when my legs are wide apart most times, but I can't do that. So I'm restricted in that way. But this one is really broad enough. And you have the heater. Is it on 24/7?
Yeah, 24/7.
All right. Can we see outside?
Yeah, you can. It's beautiful.
Yeah. Oh, the sun comes from this side, right?
Yeah.
Which is really cool, yeah.
Yeah, we have a lot of, like, the outside really looks good. The compound is very clean, a little bit smaller than the previous accommodation, but still it's beautiful.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. There is no route or road there. You are facing just the greenery.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, yeah. That's why it's so quiet.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you have that up there.
Yeah, where I keep my stuff, my oils for the hair, for the skin. Yeah, everything.
Your skin is glowing. You had to mention that, the oil.
Thank you, and thanks for accepting to share my room to your fans. It means a lot to me.
Oh, are you sure? What does it mean if it means a lot?
It's a shared bond. I was reading about what it means to build bonds. Your fans are like your family, they are your friends. You have a bond together with the information you're sharing with them, which is a good thing, not so?
It is, I agree.
Yeah, it builds cohesion.
You studied that social cohesion in one class, and now that's the only thing that you can say whenever we have a conversation, Becky.
It's not the only thing. So many others.
I love your vibe. So that lamp you find here?
Yeah, you do find here this lamp.
Okay, can we see?
Let me turn for you. It's a
studying lamp.
Yeah, it's a studying lamp.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Can you turn it off?
You definitely need it because sometimes you don't want this light. It may not be enough for you. It may be affecting your eyes. So.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. You bought these flowers, so.
Oh, for you. They are beautiful,
Very beautiful as well.
Okay, and those students who are really serious with their lives, this board can be really good.
Yeah.
I can't lie, I don't plan anything in my life apart from food and drinks.
And this one, I was planning all the universities I want to go to after here. So I had
Put them here.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. For those who are serious, this is a good thing for you. Maybe so those people who are like, oh, I have to do this by this time. I have to do this. Planning your lives all the time. This kind of room is the best for you.
Actually.
For me, I flow through life. I live life. I don't swim through it. So this is the wardrobe. There are your clothes definitely for privacy reasons. I would never open it. And this is you have two chairs.
Yeah, I have two chairs. I have this relaxing chair. I turned it though to look like this. But when I want to come and I want to have a cup of tea, and like have an English tea. I can come and sit here with my cup of tea, and I kind of relax. I reflect. I reminisce about the future and the past. I try to look at things on the positive side of life. I try to love myself.
That's very good.
Yeah.
You said something that disturbed my brain.
Reminiscing.
Reminisce. What is that? Don't make my life hard. What is it?
Reminiscing is like going through your life, the good times, like the young times, the young you, the good times you've had in life, the lows and everything that makes it perfect. Because life is perfect at the end of the day.
Becky, that's a very good point. But no life is perfect. I have suffered. I have seen days. There is no life which is perfect. I don't believe you.
I know no life is perfect. There's nothing which is perfect in the world, which changes every day due to technology and innovation. But we try to make it ideal. Ideal is not real, but it's ideal. Like, you try to assume that it's perfect, otherwise you can complain every day.
Yeah, that's why so many people commit suicide, because they want to believe that everything is possible. No, some things are not possible. Anyways, I don't want to go there, but I accept and I agree and I understand with what you said.
And you know, there is something I've learned about life. It's called luck. Whether it's on a bigger scale or on a small scale, luck should be in every person's life.
Oh, that's very good. But they say, some people say, oh, I'm unlucky, I'm unlucky.
And that's the worst statement you can give yourself, that you're unlucky, because at one point luck has to come and meet you.
That's good. So what do you love about this room or this accommodation?
The tranquility. Like, I'm here, I'm not hearing any noise, nobody's disturbing
Oh,
me.
yeah.
I just love the peace of mind here. I just love the peace of mind. Sometimes I have some wine, but it's not like alcoholic. It's non-alcoholic. So I can be here sipping my non-alcoholic wine in my peace of mind, reading my Bible, reading my books, reminiscing.
Yeah, I love it. It's really quiet. There is a place where I were before, and I came for a weekend. It was horrible.
Yeah.
Oh God, yeah, it was horrible. But this place is really quiet. Yeah,
It's quiet.
that's very good. Is there any issue with this room?
No, I haven't found one. I'm quite comfortable.
Comfortable.
Yeah, I must admit.
Okay. Thanks, everybody. You have this small. What is this, baby? Cupboard.
Oh, this is a small, like, it's like a small sideboard and
Okay.
on the board and the bed. So you kind of put your reading lamp there if you want it near the bed.
I
But
see.
you can put things. Sometimes I put biscuits there.
Oh, and you can also put any drink here before when you're going to sleep. All right.
Sometimes my water.
All right. Yeah. Thank you so much for showing us around. And yeah, good luck, guys. This room is not only self-contained, but there are other benefits. You have a
There are
washing.
other benefits. We have a washing machine.
Free of charge.
Yeah, free of charge. It has a dryer. And then the kitchen.
Which is spacious,
Yeah,
right?
and we are only 5
In this accommodation.
in this flat.
Oh,
One.
I see.
Like, there are other flats, but this flat there are only 5 people.
I get you now. I think we shall do a separate video for the flat tour. For now, I think we should say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, everybody. Tell them to subscribe, Becky. We need them.
Bye. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my sister's channel. Hashtag Annette Maya. Please share. Share her content so that other people can see how we do the multiplier effect. Somebody shares, comes and subscribes.
Okay.
They can all come and subscribe.
I don't over ask. They will run away.
No, they can't.
No, the more you chase something, the more it runs away.
Okay, don't forget to click the share button.
Bye, guys.